TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and one of the things we do each day when we send our videos out, we try to list a trade of the day. And of course, we had a 382 retracement right here at 1420. The high was 1420.90, so you've certainly gotten filled, and it's had a pretty big break of well over $50. What we were doing, and I saved this because it was happening during that time, the intraday move that we had. Oops, that's the S&P. That's not the one we wanted, Larry. Where is it? I think this is the one right here. There's the gold. There's where we're looking. There was our sell right here at 44.19. Okay, this was done on a smaller time scale. We were doing it on the 60-minute before, and then you see the move down, and then you see we had the big break. Okay, and then it rallied back up into this area right here, and it's now trading down below the 437.90 level. I think the last I saw was 438. 4383. So it's still moving to the downside. What we'll do is when we come up here for the rest of the day, or on the rest of the show that we're going to be looking at, we'll take a look at silver, because silver's it's acting incredibly bullish, folks. It really is. It's dropped 9% in one day, but it was a lot more than 9% because it was up and down. It was more like a 16% move up and down. And we'll examine that when we come back. We'll start looking at it right here if we can, and let's just move it right up in here to this level right here. Here's our silver picture right here. We'll just get it right up. See, we're having a really strong day today in silver. It had a really strong bias ever since early this morning. You see it bottomed in here, and now we're coming up into still going higher. If we look at this on the hourly chart, you'll see some of the big swings. But actually, when you look at this, folks, it's just not bad at all for a big bull market. If you look at the low we made back here on the 4th, I think that was just basically right at the almost exactly a 50% retracement here. And look where we are now. We're already back above the 61%, or I think we're right at the 61% retracement right about now. And there it is as we speak, right there, 477.84. Let's take a break, and we'll be right. we'll be right.